Did you know that forest provides a large part of drinking water for over a third of the world's largest cities, including New York, Accra, and Kumasi? Many rivers and streams have their sources in the forest. Trees act as filters and provide us with clean water that is vital for life and our sustenance. Most importantly, forests play a critical role in climate change, including global warming. Deforestation results in 12 to 18% of the world's carbon emission, almost equal to all the CO2 from the global transport sector. Today, forests cover more than 30% of the world's land and contain more than 60,000 tree species, many as of yet unidentified. Forests provide food, fiber, water, and medicine for approximately 1.6 billion of the world's poorest people, including indigenous people with unique cultures.
As we celebrate the International Day of the Forest, join Otumfuo Osei Tutu II and the Asantehene Land Restoration Project with the support of Oheneba Poku Foundation to help save our rivers and water bodies.